Welcome to Python classes. Today we are going to learn how to create an array by using NumPy module. So I got one question from one of my students this morning, and I am trying to give a solution for that student. The question is, create a matrix 10 by 10 of integer starting at 1 and ending at 100 as NumPy array. The first row of integer is 1 to 10 and the second 11 to 20 etc. Use NumPy arrange and shape method, print the matrix to the screen. This is the first part of the question. Second part of the question, now slice out the column from matrix where all the numbers end in the digit 5. Print to the screen, it should look like 5, 15, 25, 35 so on till 95. And third part, now slice out the submatrix from the original matrix, look like this: 35, 36, 37, 38, 45, 46, 47, 48, 55, 56, 57, 58 so on. Print out to the screen. And fourth part, now convert the submatrix to a vector, look like 35, 36, 37, 38, 45, 46, 47, 48, 55, 56, 57, 58. So one question contains 4 sub questions. We'll see how to write code for this question. So before writing code, in our system we required 2 things. First one, Python, and thereafter we need to install a module called NumPy. In my system I have installed Python and module NumPy. If you don't have NumPy module, then what you need to do, you need to install a NumPy by using the command called pip install NumPy. That's it. So it will install the NumPy. So to execute this command, what you require to install pip in your machine depending on your version of Python. Clear? So now we'll see how to write code for that. So we need to use a pip module. So I am importing a pip module. We require to use a NumPy module. Yes. So I am importing NumPy module as n here in this file. So I will save this file name called array example numpy.py. Array example numpy.py. The first thing is that we need to create an array with 1 to 100. So for that we need to use a function called arrange from the NumPy module. So I will say array is equal to n dot arrange from where to where, 1 to 101. Last point is exclusive, so I will say 101. So it will take 1 to 100, and it will take one more parameter called data type, d type. What type of data you require? So you can give integer or float. So I don't require now float, I require integer. So integer data type, by default it will take parameter, so that I will remove this thing. So creating a array, creating array with a NumPy. So now I will print this array whether array is created or not. Print array. So I will run this code, and after that we'll check whether array is created or not. So before that I will save and I say run module. So array is created successfully. So I got 1 to 100 numbers, array is created successfully. But in our question we have something called use NumPy arrange. I have used it, and shape to print the matrix to the screen. So I need to make it as a matrix. Matrix in the sense 10 by 10 matrix. Each row 10 and each number of columns are 10 and number of rows are 10. So but here I have only single array. I need to convert this as a 2D array. To convert it as a 2D array, what should I require to do? I need to use a shape function. To use a shape function, we'll make it as a comment. Array dot shape is equal to, matrix size is 10 by 10. So I will give the 2 things, 10 comma 10. So now it will create into the matrix size. So if I say now print array, so now observe what is the output. So I will say save and I will say run module. So now the previous output is single array. Now it's a 2D array. Each and every row it has a 10 columns, 1 to 10 and 11 to 20, so on till 100. The first part of the question is completed now. So we are printing to the screen. Now slice out the column from the matrix where all the number ends is the digit 5. So print it to the screen. So only I required 5s. So for that, what should I require to do? I need to slice this matrix. To slice this matrix, the first thing is that what I required to slice this matrix, each and everything, the fourth column, each and every row, fourth column is our 5, 15, 25, this thing we require. So it's a 0, 4 and it's a 1, 4 and it's a 2, 4 index and 3, 4 index, so on. So I require to use the slice method here. So print, let's take, I will create another thing. C is equal to ARR of slicing will be done. First is a 0th column and 1th column, 2th column, that means I required all things, comma 4 because it's a 4th, ARR of 4. So that's it. So what does it do? It will take 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, so on, everything. Clear? So now print C. We will check what I will get in the C. Save and run module. Invalid syntax. So that means I am doing some error. What type of error mistake I have done? Here I should not give a semicolon, I should give a colon here. Colon. So save and I say run module. So when I run the module, then I am getting the output as all the 5 multiples with 5, 15, 25, 35, 95. So that's the second part. So this is how you can get the slicing of the array. So this is what slicing of the array. So now I am printing C. So that's the second part is completed. Now I will check what is this. Now slice out the submatrix. I need to slice out the submatrix. Submatrix, what I am getting? 35, 36, 37, 38. So that means which row is that? It is a row of 35. 0, 1, 2, 3. Third row. Third row, which index it won? 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means fourth. Third row, fourth index. Third row, fourth, 5, 6, 7. So this thing I required. And thereafter, fourth to where? 38. That means seventh. So for that I will write a code. So I say I will create one more array. D is equal to array of 3, 4 to 8. So that's a one thing. 4 to 8. Third row, fourth index. But what I required how many rows? Third row, fourth row and fifth row. 3 rows. So for that I will modify that code. 3 to 6. 3 rows. Now I will print D. Print D. Now I will check what is our output. What is our output? Save and I say run module. So when I run, A is not defined. Yes, our array name is ARR. So we have made mistake again. So A is not defined. File, save and I say run module. So now I am getting the output as 35, 36, 37, 38 and 2, 58. So that's the third part of our solution. Third part of solution. Now print it to the screen by using vector, submatrix to a vector. To print to a vector, what I require to do, I need to use a function called flatten function. I need to use a function called flatten. So flatten function will be useful in this format. I say print d dot flatten of order either C or F. By default it will take C. So this is how we can print. So printing sub matrix to vector format. So now we'll check whether I will get a flatten or not. So save and I say run module. So I am getting flatten. So this is our fourth part of our solution. So now check the code. What I have done, first I have installed imported numpy as a n, and I am using the arrange function to create a array with numpy with 100 indexes, and thereafter I have created a shape to make it as a matrix 10 by 10 to create a matrix with the size 10 by 10, and then I am printing that matrix, and I am slicing of the array each of the fourth column from the first to 0 to 9, so all fourth, that means 5s, and thereafter I am slicing the particular required columns 3 to 6 and 4 to 8 and printing, and I am using the flatten to make it as a submatrix to the vector. So I will save this code and I will run once again. So this is what is our output, the exact output whatever we are expecting from our question. So this is a solution for this question. If you have any doubts, you can contact me through comments. So that's all for this solution. Thank you.